Today we're looking at part number 13-109KT. This is the Equalizer kit for 3-inch wide springs or 10K heavy duty through 16K trailer axles with a 24 5/8 long equalizer. This kit contains one equalizer, part number 013-109-03. It contains one spring bolt, which is 1 inch, and it's part number 007-169-00. Includes the 1 inch lock nut, part number 006-112-00. It includes the equalizer bolt, part number 007-170-00, and the 1/1/8 inch lock nut for that bolt, which is part number 006-072-00. So when you're replacing your equalizers, usually they have this equalizer bolt tack welded on, so you're going to have to replace this bolt anyway. Same thing with the springs bolt, they usually have that tack welded on as well. A lot of manufacturers do that, so this kit is good to buy all together because more than likely you're going to have to replace those bolts anyway. You can get this at TrailerPartsUnlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687. Thank you.